Okay, Shabab, Bismillah Rahman Rahim. So, welcome all the brothers for today's class. This is, you guys are seeing, there is a function on the board. You know, here it is minutes, time 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 minutes, and this side it is percentage of the function. It can be pressure,
Teacher?
it can be anything. Right, Shabab? So, what is the
Teacher?
span here? How much is the span?
Record the lecture, teacher, please.
I am putting the record, but again, it is not in my control. Alhamdulillah, it is working until now, but sometimes it is not recording, you know. But I am pushing the button for the recording, inshallah. You know. Yes, Shabab. What is the
Teacher.
span?
Yes, the span, the maximum minus the minimum.
No, it is not correct. Maximum minus minimum is not correct. So, what is span here, Shabab? Yes, Shabab. What is span here? Yes, brother. One brother is writing 40. Very good. A lot of brothers now start writing 40. So how we are getting the 40? How we are getting the 40?
70 minus 30.
What is 70?
Maximum number that the graph reach.
It is not maximum number. Final value minus initial value. So with me, final value minus initial value. So what is final value here? 70. And what is initial value? 30. So 40 is the span. Subha with me. This is first step. And what we are doing? We are finding time constant. If you guys remember, we left the last class here. How to find the time constant. So we left here. So this is the first step to find the span. What is the second step, Shabab? What is the second step? Yeah, Shabab, what is the second step?
63.2%.
Very good, very good. 63.2% of span. So what is span here? Luckily, 63.2 over 100 into 40. How much, Shabab? How much span, Shabab? How much is the 63.2% of span? Is this correct? 25.28? A lot of brothers, they are replying, they are telling yes. So what is the third step, Shabab? What is the third step? Yes, Shabab, what is the third step?
The time when it
Sorry?
plus the time when it starts to be.
So what is the third step, Shabab?
Go to the graph, teacher.
Huh?
Go to the graph.
No, still we cannot go to graph.
T3 minus
Very good.
42.
One brother is answering here, add the initial value. So add the initial value. What is initial value, Shabab? Initial value plus this 25.28. How much initial value, Shabab?
30 plus
30.
25.28.
Very good. 30 plus 25.28. How much?
55.28.
Very good. 55.28. Right, Shabab? Now we will go to the graph. So 55.28 approximately here. We draw a line here. Bring this line here. So this time is the time constant. So how much is the time constant, Shabab? 3 minus 2. 3 minus 2, that is 3 minus 2 or 3 minus 1? 3 minus 1, this is here, this is here. So 3 minus 1, 2 minutes. Shabab with me? Yes, Shabab with me, Shabab?
Yes, teacher.
So, lot of brothers, they are replying, they are writing yes. So once again, this is our given function for what we need to find the time constant. So what is the first step? First step, we find the span, final value minus initial value, 70 minus 30 here. Luckily, final value is 70, initial value is 30. So that is 40. Then we find the second step, 63.2% of span, it becomes 25.28. Then the third step, add the initial value, that becomes 30 plus 25.28, that's we get 55.28. After that, we come to the graph. We locate the 55.28 here. We draw a straight line. We bring it to the time axis. This time, starting 63.2%, 3 minus 1, 2 minutes is the time constant of this given problem. Any question up to here, Shabab? Yes, Shabab, any question up to here? Okay, a lot of brothers, they are saying no. Okay, so let's take another question. So let us make another question. Yes, Shabab. Now, how much is the span? So the first step, we need to find the span. So how much is the span now? A lot of brothers are writing 50. How you get the 50?
Yes, 50.
How we are getting the 50?
40 minus
4
minus 10.
minus, yes, minus with minus will be plus.
Very good. 40 minus minus 10, that becomes 50.
50.
Right, Shabab? Okay, what is the second step? 63.2 100 into span. How much?
$31.6.
31.6. Lot of brothers, they are sending message 31.6. Add the initial value. What is initial value, Shabab?
Minus 10.
Minus 10
Minus 10.
plus Initial value plus this
31.6.
31.60. So plus 31.60. How much about 21.6.
6.
Right, Shubham? Now we come here on the graph. 21.6. Again, somewhere here. 21.6. We draw this line here, and this is the starting point. So this is the time constant. So it is approximately how much above? So this is approximately 3.5. So 3.5 minus 1. So it will be 3.5 minus 1. Time constant is equal to, this is approximately 3.5. This is
2.5, teacher.
2.5 minutes. Any question up to here, Shabab? Please ask. If you have any question up to here, please ask. A lot of brothers they are writing no, so let's move further. Okay, Shabab, now there is another function now. This one. This is another function, and we need to find the time constant for this one. Shabab with me? Lot of brothers they are writing yes. So yes, Shabab, what is now span? How much is the span now?
Minus 50.
One brother is writing, one brother is writing minus 50. Lot of brothers are writing minus 50. How will get the minus 50? How will get the minus 50, Shabab? Which one is the initial value here? Now, what is the initial value?
18. 80, the initial
80
target.
is the initial value. How do we know that? Why not this 30 is the initial value? See, this is 30. So 30 is smaller. So why don't we say it is initial value?
Because it start and decrease from 80 and
See,
then
the time is
decrease.
increasing. So who's starting earlier? It is starting from here at 1 minute. So this is the initial value, and at 6 minutes, it is the final value. Right, Shabab? So final value is what? 30 minus initial value is 80. So how much is the span? 50. 50 or minus 50?
Minus 50.
Minus
Minus
50.
50.
Lot of brothers they are writing minus 50. So minus 50. Okay. Second step. 63.2% of minus 50. Yeah, Shabab, how much?
Minus 31.6.
Minus 31.6. Right, Shabab? What is next step? Initial value plus minus 31.6. So what is initial value here?
The initial value 80.
80. Very good. Very good. Initial value is 80 minus 31.6. So how much?
48.4.
48.4, very good. So then we come here, 48.4. So 48.4 is where? Approximately somewhere here. See here, Shabab, how much? 48.4. So 48.4 is somewhere here. 48.4, right? We draw the line here. It is starting from here. So what is the time constant? This one. 2 minus 1 is equal to 1 minute. Let us do it very fast again. So what is the span here, Shabab? Shabab with me? A lot of brothers are writing yes. So what is the span? 80. Initial value is 80. Final value is 30. So final value minus initial value. So final value is what? 30 minus 80 minus 50. Okay. Then the second step, we find the 63.2%. So 63.2% of minus 50 minus 31.6. Then the third step, add the initial value. Initial value is 80. So 80 minus 31.6, 48.4. Then we come to the graph. We draw a line 48.4. We bring it to the time axis. So it is starting from here. So 2 minus 1 is the time constant. Any question up to here, Shabab? Yes, Shabab, please ask any question up to here. So a lot of brothers, they are typing no question. Okay, that's good. Okay, Shabab, now we are at page 4. In our book, we are at page 4, solved examples. Everybody is there? Everybody has the book, Shabab? Sure, everybody has the book? A lot of brothers, they are writing yes. That's good.
Teacher,
That's good.
which page?
Page number 4. Solved example 2.1. This is very straightforward question. You guys have mashallah already solved very difficult question more than this. So it is starting from here. 0, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. Same here, very easy. 0, 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. And it is coming like this. So how we find the time constant, Shabab, here? Is it very difficult? No, very easy. So what is the span here? Very straightforward. 100 minus 0 is the span, right? Shabab with me?
Yes.
So 60. Then we're gonna find the 63.2%. That is plus initial value. So luckily everything is very straightforward. So this is 63.2% here, and draw the line here. So this is the time constant, and it is already found there. It is solved example. If you guys remember, see here. Everybody here, Shabab? This is the solved example, Shabab. A lot of brothers they are writing yes, so that's good. So this is now we are at example 2.2. This example. So we're going to solve it. So it is like this, Shabab. Yes, Shabab, what is span here? How much is the span, Shabab?
-6.
So a lot of brother they are giving the different answers. So what is the final value? 44. And what is the initial value? This is the final value. 44. And what is the initial value? If you see the given one in the book, it is starting from 50. So let us also make it from 50. Start from here. So 50. How much? -6. But again, it can be changed. It can be 52. It can be 54. So then we will do likewise. Right, Shabab? Okay. What is the next step, Shabab? 63.2% of -6. How much?
-3.79.
-3.7. A lot of brothers they are mashallah writing. That's very good. So all the brothers mashallah they are active. So add the initial value. Initial value in it. So initial value is what? 50 minus 3.79. How much about?
46.2.
46.2 approximately. Okay. So where it gonna be? It's gonna be here. 46.2. It's somewhere here. So it will come here. So this is the, and it is starting from here. So this is our time constant. So you can say this is approximately 15. So 15 minus 10. 15 minus 10. 5 minutes is the time constant. And again, it is solved in the book. See here. This is the problem, and it is solved in the book. The book solution, you want to follow that way, you can follow that way. You want to follow this way, you can follow this way. But this one is the better way and very logical. So here you don't need to think anything, and everything will be automatically solved. Any question up to here, Shabab? Any question up to here, please ask. Yes, brother, any question up to here?
I hope no, sir.
Okay, Shabab, now next problem is there. Problem 2.3. This is the problem. Problem 2.3. See there. Page number 6. We can take this problem, or we can take a similar problem here. This is our input, Shiva. Is it coming there? No, it is not coming. So let me make here. Yes, here it is coming. This is our input and this is our output. So now we need to find the three things. We need to find the gain, we need to find the dead time, and then we need to find the
Time constant.
time constant. Very good. So here it is 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35 minutes. This is minute, Shiva. Right? And this side it is 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, here 0, 10. So we apply the input at 5 minutes and output start at 10 minutes and it goes like this. Shiva with me?
Question this.
That's good. Lot of brothers they are writing yes. That's good. Okay, Shiva. So what is the easiest thing to find? From where we should start? We should start from the time constant. We should start from the gain. We should start from the dead time. What is the easiest?
Time.
Start
Dead time.
process
Very
gain.
good. Number one, dead time. Dead time. TD. Yes, how much about TD?
5. Which is
How
10
you get 5? Very good. Very good
10
answer. Yes, how you get 5?
5.
10 minus 5. A lot of brothers they are writing it. Very good. MashaAllah, today brothers are very active. 10 minus 5 minutes. Right, Shabab?
Yes.
What is second thing? Easiest.
Gain.
Gain. Very good. Process dead time, process gain. So gain is what, Shabab?
Output over input. Which is
Change.
change in
Change in the output over change in input. So how much change in output, Shabab? How much change in output?
40 of
40. Yeah, 40 minus 0, that is 40. How much change in input?
10 minus 0.
10 minus 0. Very good. So 4 is the gain. Right, Shabab? Brother with
Right.
me?
Right.
That's good. Now the third thing, time constant. Process time constant. That is tau.
Span.
Yes,
Right?
Shabab. What is first step?
Span. 63.
Span. Very good. How much is span?
40, I guess.
Yeah, lot of brothers they are writing 40. Yeah, 40 final value minus initial value. 40. And same second step 63.2 over 100 into 40. How much about? Lot of brothers, they're writing 25.28, very good. And what is the third step? Add the initial value, that is actually 0 here, so 25.28. So now we go to the graph, approximately here, 25.28, draw this line, bring it down, that is here approximately 17. So this is the time constant. 17 minus 10. So time constant is what? 17 minus 10, 7 minutes approximately. Any question up to here, Shabab? Yes, Shabab, any question? A lot of brothers they are writing no question. That's good.
About to draw, teacher.
Sorry?
This always you want it like that, make it input on the up and output down like this. What you did
Normally
now.
it is like this, yes. Normally it is like this, yes. You know,
Okay.
but you remember in our lab, in our controller, they are both lapping over each other. You remember that?
Yes, yes.
Yeah, it can be like that, but normally it is like this. But when you're gonna go to the plant, they can be like this, they can be like that, as in our lab. Both ways are possible,
So
right?
both of them are correct, yeah?
Both are correct, yes. Both ways are correct. Any question up to here, Shabab?
Thank you, teacher.
You are welcome, inshallah. We can change it a little bit. Like this, we can change it. Yeah, Shabab, now find data time, gain, time constant, get the first. Whoever show me the complete solution, he will get the first. So please find it.
Find what, teacher?
Find the three things. Find the data time, find the gain, find the time constant, get the first. Shubha with me?
Yes, yes, with you, teacher.
Yeah, please find. Please find the data time, gain, time constant, get the first. One brother is replying 5. That's good. Tell me all three at the same time, get the first. Yes, Shabab. Yes, Shabab. So who's trying?
Do you want time constant, Doctor?
Some brother is writing span is 30. Span is, yes, span is 30. Yes, true. Yes. So show me all the three answers together. Lot of brothers, they are sending one answer. One by one. So please show me all the three answers together. Get the first. Yes, Shabab. Somebody is trying or not?
Yes, we are trying, teacher.
Yes,
Trying?
teacher,
Okay.
finish.
Finish. Yes, please tell me. Yes. What
The
is your
time is
answer?
5, teacher.
That time 5. Okay. Gain
Again, 3, teacher.
3. Time constant
Time constant, wait, teacher. Give me a second, teacher.
Shwab, whoever tells all three values together, he will get the first.
2 teacher.
That time?
Yes. Time constant teacher.
Time constant. Yes, how you found it?
2 teacher.
Brother Awad was showing me. Brother Awad, show me again. Show all the three values
Finish,
together.
teacher. Finish, teacher.
Yeah, what are your answers?
I did a time 5,
Okay.
gain 3,
Okay. Time constant?
time constant 1 minute.
Approximately
First,
one.
find a span. Yes.
So what is your ID? Tell me last three your ID.
391.
391
158.
391 158
391
Okay.
902 158.
902 158. Okay. You already have one first. That's good. So, if you are not, Shabab, you are not getting, please pay the attention. Now we are solving it. So that time is what? This time, that is 10 minus this time, that is 5. So 10 minus 5, that is 5 minutes. Very straightforward. Change in output is how much? 40 minus 10. 40 minus 10. Change in input 10 minus 0. So how much about 30 over 10? That is 3. How much is the span? How much is the span, Shabab, now? For the time constant, 40 minus 10, that is 30. So multiply by 30, 63.2% of 30, how much, Shabab? How much? Is it correct, Shabab? 18.96?
Yes, yes.
I am doing correct?
I have question.
First you tell me the span
Yes,
is
yes,
correct?
it is correct. It is correct, teacher.
No,
I
it
guess
is not correct.
minus, Doctor, minus 30. Because
It is not correct.
Not correct,
This
teacher.
is
Mine.
minus, this is plus. So it should be minus. Final minus initial. So what is final here? Final is 10, right? And initial is 40. Shabab with me? Shabab with me? Yeah, a lot of brothers saying yes, that's good. So it should be 10 minus 40, that is minus 30. So here it will be minus 18.96. Right, Shabab? Shabab with me?
Right,
right,
teacher. Right.
Then what is the third step?
Time constant, teacher.
added with the initial value, which is 40.
Very good. Add with the initial value. So what is initial value? 40. 40 plus minus 18.96. How much? How much, Shabab?
58.96.
How much?
21.04.
20.04 approximately. Okay, now come here. 21.04 approximately here. 21.04. Bring it here. So it is approximately 12. This is 10. So 12 minus 10. This is the time constant. So how much time constant? 12 minus 10. 2 minutes. Any question up to here, Shabab?
That means, teacher, the gain will be minus 3.
Sorry?
The gain.
See, we can make it minus 3 here like this. What is the minus 3 mean here? What does it mean minus 3? Minus 3 mean what? Yes, very good. Brother Awad is writing opposite. Opposite mean what? Can gain be negative? Shubham, is it possible gain negative? No, it is
No.
not possible. So this minus mean what? This minus is telling what? This minus is telling the input and output, they are in opposite direction. They are what? They are in opposite direction. Shubha with me?
Yes,
See,
yes.
the input is increasing and output is decreasing. So if they both are increasing, the gain will be positive. If both are decreasing, the gain will be positive. If one is increasing, other is decreasing, the gain will be negative. So negative mean what here? What is the meaning of negative, Shabab? Input and opposite in the input and output, they are in opposite direction. Input and output are in opposite direction. Shabab with me?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, we can take another example to make it more clear. We apply the input like this. Now, how much is the dead time, Shabab, now? What is the dead time now?
5. That's the same.
5, same. Dead time is same. Change in output, how much change in output?
8. Oh
Change in
no,
output.
minus 8.
10 minus 40. What is change in input?
Minus 8, which is 2 minus 10.
You can say 10 minus 2. So 2 minus 10 or 10 minus 2?
10 minus 2.
2 minus
Which
10.
one is final?
2. 2 is final.
2. 2 minus 10. How much? What is the change here?
Minus 30 over minus 8.
So minus will cancel with minus. Answer will be positive.
Teacher,
How much?
why the time 10 minus 5?
See, what is this? What is this time? 5. We apply the input. And when we see the
Yes.
input, this time 10. So 10 minus 5, 5.
Yes, okay.
So how much is this, Shabab?
3.75.
3.75.
75.
So what is the conclusion, Shabab? If both input and output are increasing or decreasing in the same direction, the gain will be positive. If one of them is increasing, other one is decreasing, their opposite direction, the gain will be negative.
Negative.
Shabab with me?
Yes, teacher.
So the negative sign with gain, means what does it mean? Negative sign with gain mean what? Output and input are in opposite direction. Input and output, they are in opposite direction. So what does it mean again? Input increasing, output increasing, gain positive.
will be process gain but negative.
If output, input decreasing, output also decreasing, gain is positive. If
Both is
input increasing, output decreasing,
Negative.
then
negative.
it is negative.
Negative.
If input decreasing, output increasing, again it is
Negative.
negative. Any question up here, Shiva? So if they are opposite, negative. If they are same direction, positive. Any question up to here, Shiva?
I hope no.
Thank you.
That's a lot of brother they are writing no. That's good.
But teacher,
Yes.
could you give us an example for negative versus gain?
Yeah, we just added. We just did.
Yeah.
This one we just remove it.
Yeah. Yeah.
Again, the gain cannot be negative. It is just telling a direction. The direction of input and output.
I
Gain
know,
itself
teacher.
cannot be negative. If the direction is opposite, it will show negative sign. If the direction is same, it will show positive sign.
Okay.
Okay, Shiva, another question is there. Here the input is given. This is the input. So here it is 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 minutes. And here it is 0, 10. The input is being applied like this. And it is telling data time is given. Data time is given 5 minutes. Right, Shabab?
Teacher, is this example from the book?
This example is, you can say, a little different. It is not in the book, but we need to do it. So please note it. So
Okay.
data time is 5 minutes. Gain KP is 4. Draw the output. What is that time, Shabab?
5.
5. That time is what, Shabab? 5. So from where the output should start? From where it should start?
10, teacher.
Output should start from 10. Very good. So it should start from here. Right? No, gain is 4. How much is the gain?
4.
4. So is this scale, I put the scale 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Is it good scale? How we define the gain? What is gain, Shabab? KP is what? Change in output over change in input. Is that correct?
Yes.
So what is the change in output? We don't know, right? We don't know the change in output. So we can say this is A, this is our A, and this is our B. So what is changed? B minus A. And what is change in the input, Shabab?
10. 10 minus A.
Sorry?
B
Very good. T 10 minus 0. This minus this. Right? And it is equal to what?
10.
4. 4.
B minus
4. Very good. So B minus A is equal to how much, Shabab?
40.
40. Right, Shabab?
yes.
Everybody with me, Shabab?
Yes, I will.
Lot of brothers they are writing yes, that's good. Okay, Shabab, what is A here? What is A? Lot of brothers saying
Only teacher. 10, I'm sorry. 10. 10.
10. Very good. Lot of brothers they are writing 10. So A is what, Shabab? 10.
Why
So
10
B
teacher?
minus 10 is equal to 40. So how much is B?
50.
50. Very good. So can we draw it now? So it is starting from 50. It is starting from 10 minutes. From 10, gradually, smoothly, it is going to 50. Right, Shabab? Shabab with me?
Yes.
Yes, okay, teacher. But I have confusion, teacher.
Yeah, please ask your question, please.
Maybe because I have bad connection, I didn't hear your. But I have question, teacher. Why I chose 10 like output bin?
You mean this 10?
Yes. No. This 10. 10. Go
Sorry?
back. 10. Yeah. Why I chose 10? Why I bought a 10? Yes.
Yeah, if you don't see, it is given. This 10 is given. Imagine it is not given. Then you can choose, no problem.
Okay.
Let us finish this problem, then we will take another problem as you are saying. Shabab, any question here? Somebody has any question?
Yes, teacher.
Yes, please ask.
Why, teacher, did you choose 10 as your T2?
This one?
Yes, teacher.
Yeah, what is that time?
That time T2 minus T1.
So if that time is given. How much is given that time? 5 minutes, right?
Yes.
So 10 minus 5, 5. So input we are applying at 5 and we are starting the output at 10 minutes, right?
Okay. Yes.
Any other brother? Yes, Shabab, any other question, please ask.
Why, teacher, you didn't
Teacher.
directly put the value of
Sorry?
B? Put the value of B equal 50 and value of A equal 10, and that's it.
See, it is given. This 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, it is written here. It is given. You got my point?
Yes.
Imagine it is not given. Imagine it is not given. It is open. Now you need to choose a value. Right?
Right.
Now, what is B minus A? 40. Input is given, gain is given. So B minus A is how much?
40.
40. Now you are the person who gonna choose A. Now tell me what you want A. What you want?
10.
If you want 10, 10 was already there. You can say I will take 0.
Okay.
You can say I will take 0. Okay. Now how much is B?
40.
40. So 0, 10, 20, 30, 40.
Okay.
You get
You
my
can
point?
choose. Okay.
If it is not given, you can choose.
Okay. It's clear, teacher.
If it is given, then you have to take that.
Okay.
No, maybe some other person he can say no, I will not take 0. I will take, for example, 20. Okay, no, what is A? What is A? No,
20.
20.
60.
So how much B? 60. So 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. No problem. Shabab with me?
Yes, teacher.
Any question up to here, Shabab? Please ask. Yeah, Shabab, please ask.
About this question, no, I hope no. But is there a drawing?
Teacher, again this
Yes.
question, teacher.
Sorry?
Again question, teacher. Again,
Yeah, please ask.
explanation.
Please ask. What is your question? Please ask.
Teacher, how to calculate, teacher? Okay.
What you need to
Again,
calculate this
please.
one.
Teacher, KB.
Yes.
KB and down.
KP is this one. KP, yes. Just ask your question, please.
Teacher, how to count KB? Yes.
KP is given. KP is given. This is given. Data time 5. KP 4 is given. So we are just putting the value. What is change in output over change in input? KP. So B minus A over 10 minus 0, 4. So now we are going to decide the B and A. If you take the A 20, B will be 50. If you take the A 0, the B will be 60. Like this.
Teacher,
Yes.
if the gain is not 4, for example, 3.
Yeah, take the 3, no problem. Take the 3. So how much now is this one? 30. So if you take the A 20, how much it will be?
It will be 30.
50.
50,
Right?
yes. Yes, right.
So no problem. Now it will be what? Like this.
Now it's 100% clear.
That's good, mashallah. Any other brother has any questions, Shabab? Lot of brother they are writing no. Okay, that's good. So let's move forward. So still Shabab, the data time is 5. And output at time constant is equal to 55. 55%. At time constant, output is 55%. So draw the output. Same question, draw the output. Now TD is 5, so from where the output will start?
10.
10. That's the same point. So no need to think even about that. So output at the time constant is 55. Right, Shabab? So we will draw the output. So what are the first step for the time constant? What is the first step?
Find T3, I guess.
Span.
Span.
Span, what is span here? B minus A. This one we are saying B, this is A. B minus A. Right, Shabab? Shabab with me?
Yes, right.
we are assuming two things, initial value A, final value B. What is the second step? 63.2% of B minus A. What is the third step? 63.2% of B minus A plus initial value. How much initial value, Shabab?
A, teacher, A.
A. Equal to what? This whole thing is equal to what? 55 given. 55. This is equal to 55.
55%.
Right, Shabab? Shabab
Yes.
with me?
Yes, yes.
Yes, with you.
Can we? Sorry?
Yes, with you.
Okay. Can we find A and B now? Assume A 0. We are starting from 0. That is the easiest, right? Right, Shabab?
Yes.
Right.
Okay, if we put the A 0, what is this now? 63.2 over 100. This is 0, this is 0. B is equal to 55. How much B? How much B, Shabab?
$87.02.
87.02. Shiva, please confirm this answer. Everybody confirm it. Lot of brothers they are writing, but you confirm it. Let's we assume it is correct. Okay, no problem. So it is B is how much, Shiva? 87.02. So how we will draw it? Like this. We are assuming our brother told us this calculation correct, but everybody needs to check it. 55 into 100 divided by 63.2, so it is 87.02. We are assuming it is correct, right? Lot of brothers
Yes,
are saying
teacher,
correct.
correct.
That's good. So we start the A is here 0, B is here 87.2. We draw this curve like this. Shubha with me? Once again, very quick. So what is the question? What is the question, Shabab? Data time is given. See, that data time is given 5 minutes. Data time is given 5 minutes. This is given. Output at the time constant 55%. So at time constant, how much is the output? 55%. Right, Shabab? Okay. So now time constant output is given. So what we do, we find the span. We are assuming initial value A, final value B. So what is span? B minus A. Then we take the second step, 63.2% of B minus A. Then we take the third step, add the initial value. So initial value is A. We add in it. This whole thing equal to 55. Shubha with me? Shubha with me? MashaAllah, a lot of brothers they are writing yes. That's good. Okay. Now we are assuming nothing is given. If something is given at A, we can put that one. Nothing is given, so we assume A 0. So here it is 0. Here it is 0. So it becomes 63.2 over 100. B 55. So B is equal to 87.02. Any question up to here, Shabab? Yes, Shabab. Any question up to here?
Teacher,
Yes.
if the question give gain with time constant, is it possible to answer the question?
Sorry?
If the question give us a gain, which is KP, and time
No,
constant.
that was the last question, not this one. In this question, data time is given and output at the time constant is given. You get my point?
Yes, yes.
The previous question, the last question, that time was given and gain was given. Here, that time and output at the time constant is given, and this input is given. So we need to draw the output. Any question up to here, Shabab? Yes, Shabab. Any question up to here? Please ask.
I hope not.
Now, there is a homework number 2. Homework 2, Shabab.
Teacher.
Homework number 2, that is again bonus homework. See, Shabab, this page, and this page. These are the 4 pages. From page 7 to page 10. Page 7 to page 10. Shabab, with me?
Teacher.
Yes, please. Yes, please.
Homework after midterm, teacher, because this is tough quizzes and reports.
Sorry?
Teacher, could you put the homework after we are on the pressure. There is many quizzes and reports.
Without the homework, this is first of all bonus homework. If you don't want to submit, don't submit. But without homework, can you do the quiz and the exam? Is it possible? Please, tell me please. Without the homework, can you do the quiz? And on top of that, it is bonus. Somebody wants to do it, fine. Somebody does not want, depends upon him. This bonus homework, Shabab. Shabab, with me?
Yes, teacher. So the homework page again.
Any question up to here, Shabab, please ask.
Teacher, when the due time for the bonus quiz, bonus homework?
It is inshallah by coming Thursday. But first three people always special bonus marks. After that, everybody equal. So, but you can submit until coming Thursday, inshallah. When is our quiz, Shabab? When is our quiz number 1?
Monday.
Monday, right?
Yes.
What time?
9 p.m. to 9
p.m. And everybody need to start at the same time. Lot of brother, they are mashallah writing. So everybody need to start at the same time, 9. Right, Shabab?
Teacher.
Yes.
Quiz 1 will cover chapter 1 and 2.
Yeah, up to here. Up to the
homework, huh?
Yes.
Okay.
Any question up to here, Shabab?
Teacher, the quiz up to here?
Yes.